She is entering the airport confidently. She is entering the airport confidently. She has packed her luggage carefully. She has packed her luggage carefully. She is pushing the baggage trolley smoothly. She is pushing the baggage trolley smoothly. She has reached the departure terminal. She has reached the departure terminal. She is standing in the check-in queue patiently. She is standing in the check-in queue patiently. She has presented her passport successfully. She has presented her passport successfully. She is collecting her boarding pass. She is collecting her boarding pass. She has checked her flight details. She has checked her flight details. She is proceeding toward the security checkpoint. She is proceeding toward the security checkpoint. She has placed her belongings in the tray. She has placed her belongings in the tray. She is walking through the security scanner. She is walking through the security scanner. She has collected her luggage again. She has collected her luggage again. She is locating the departure gate. She is locating the departure gate. She has verified the gate number. She has verified the gate number. She is waiting in the departure lounge. She is waiting in the departure lounge. She has purchased a refreshing beverage. She has purchased a refreshing beverage. She is reading the flight information display. She is reading the flight information display. She has heard the boarding announcement. She has heard the boarding announcement. She is joining the boarding line. She is joining the boarding line. She has shown her boarding pass. She has shown her boarding pass. She is entering the aircraft calmly. She is entering the aircraft calmly. She has placed her suitcase in the overhead compartment. She has placed her suitcase in the overhead compartment. She is fastening her seatbelt securely. She is fastening her seatbelt securely. She has switched her phone to airplane mode. She has switched her phone to airplane mode. She is listening to the safety instructions attentively. She is listening to the safety instructions attentively. She has adjusted her seat comfortably. She has adjusted her seat comfortably. She is observing the runway through the window. She is observing the runway through the window. She has greeted the flight attendant politely. She has greeted the flight attendant politely. She is enjoying the peaceful journey. She is enjoying the peaceful journey. She has arrived at her destination safely. She has arrived at her destination safely.